Hey boyfriend!
Hey girlfriend!
Are you excited?
Very excited.
Hey everyone, my name is Sophia and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming something a little bit different. We are actually about to head down to Margaret River with some of our friends. So I thought that I would do a bit of a vlog and document what we get up to while we are in Margaret River. Okay, let's go. Let's go, you're stuck with me for 3 hours, yeah. So we've just gotten to Margaret River. We're in our little cabin. This is Jordan. You're like... Hello, Dion.
Hi.
George, show us your bed.
Well, this is the bed.
This is the setup.
And that's actually my bed.
Oh, interesting. We're going out for dinner. We just played some cards. Yep. AJ won, of course. Yeah, AJ won. Jordan almost won, and then she got stitched up. Got set up. We don't love that. Going to the pub for a pub feed. Parkour. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Bit zoned out there, pal. Oh, fancy seeing you here.
I didn't see you there.
Whoa. So it is now the next morning, almost afternoon.
Yeah, what is the time?
It is Sunday. Wait,
My
do you have your
phone's
phone?
all the way up there.
Well, we'll never know the time. So we're about to head off to Brekkie now. We're going to go to the White Elephant Cafe in Margaret River. Definitely check it out if you haven't been there before. It is really, really nice, and it's just by the beach, so it should be nice.
I've never been before, so
Ooh.
you never know. Maybe I'll love it.
Maybe you'll love it.
Yeah.
Maybe you'll hate it.
You'll never know.
Stay tuned to find out. Go that way a little bit more. Yeah, and then I'll be standing next to Dion but pushing in a little bit. Okay, ready?
Okay, good.
Oh, I
I don't know why I was holding my breath for that.
So we've just gone for a drive to
Had a nap.
and had a nap to Boranup Natural Forest or something, and it's really, really pretty. Hang on, I need to cross the road.
I'm gonna fall over.
I'm gonna trip.
It's so pretty. Ready? George is just making a slave work.
Hell yeah.
And here we have Jordan Koloniko doing her beam routine. Do a cool stunt. Oh! Oh, you saw it here first.
Hell yeah.
So we just finished up in the forest. How did we like it, guys?
It was
Pretty.
cool. Fresh air, you know.
We just love a good bit of fresh air, don't we? Love that
AJ
for
was
us.
so eager.
Now we're just going to have a little look around and find a cave to explore so that we can take a closer look.
Why?
Do your best pose of that animal. Oh, we've got our first creature that we're seeing here today. Yep, cool. He's coming. He is ready. He's ready to rumble. He's gonna get through this cave quick. How do you feel, AJ? Do you feel ready?
I've read the instructions for the Mammoth Cavern Guide. I will be playing the number 100 and the number 101, and we will be ready to walk through this cave.
Then we're ready.
All we got is time, so stay a while, stay a while. All we got is time, so stay a while, stay a while.
160 steps. How do you feel about that? So we're just in Mammoth Cave. We've walked up a lot of stairs. How do you feel, AJ?
Yeah, it was great.
Oh, there's more stairs still to go.
Too soon.
Ooh. Yeah, oh yeah, so candid. Would never know. This is a situation.
That was amazing.
We love a good sunset.
So
So we've just gotten back to our cabin after watching the sunset and doing the caves and everything. So we'll probably just chill here now. We've had our dinner. We'll play some games, eat some more food,
yeah, chill out.
chill out and relax. Whoop, 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 whoop. Good morning. It's time to pack up and go home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo. Bye, house.
Bye, Hal.
Bye, Dion. We'll miss you. So it's about 8:30 and we are leaving now. We're gonna head off to breakfast on the way home. Sad face.
But we love food.
But we love food.
Hey, Jordan. I love you. I love you too.
Just for you, see?
Yeah. Sophia.
Who do you think you are?
I know,
Run
heard
around
more.
leaving stuff.
Don't act. Oh.
I'll buy you this.
Oh, cute. No, I don't need it. I don't need it. It's a little bit rainy. It's a bit rainy today. Oh, so we just finished up at the chocolate factory and we're heading over to some, what's it called? The I don't know what it's called. It's a natural spa in Yellingup.
Starts with an I.
Starts with an I, ends with an up.
I think it's indignatious, isn't
No,
it?
it's
Oh.
not. What do we rate it so far out of 10, fellas?
You got out my way. Have a look.
there's a little bit of a situation. It's a bit rainy.
Oh, just a bit.
We're hiding behind a rock at the moment. Oh my gosh. It's so rainy. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. What about the company? 11?
I don't know, it's pushing it.
So pretty. I'm not sure.
I'm not very adventurous.
Oh, here, go here. See that path there? Yeah, just like that.
Nice trekking shoes.
Oh, where'd you get those ones from?
City Beach.
Big steps.
As far as I can get.
Yeah. Goodbye, Jordan.
Goodbye. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you. I'll see you in
I'll
Perth.
follow you on the way home, but
Thanks for a good holiday.
good holiday.
Bye, Dion. Thanks for a good holiday. Miss you already.
Miss you.
Miss you.
Bye.
Bye. So we are all done now. We're about to head home and make the 3-hour drive back to Perth. But if you did enjoy this video, please like, comment and subscribe.
And share.
And share. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!